Hey YouTube, I'm back. It's been a while since I've done a look on my channel, so I just thought I would, give y'all a little something to look at. And I mean, I'm really digging it. It's this nice dark chocolatey like sultry look. Originally I was going to do soft glam, but then it turns into this, so I mean, I like it. Tell me what you think down below. And you already know. Let's get glowing.
Hey y'all, I already did my brows, I prepped my eyes, I moisturized and prom. Today we're going to be using that Jackie Aina. You already know, I love Auntie Jackie. So for our transition shade, we're going to take the shade Ginger on a nice fluffy brush and just blend that all over our eyes. Now I'm only going to show you guys me doing one eye on camera, because if I show both of them it would be making this video way too long, and I'm working on not having videos that are like, I don't know, more than 20 minutes. So as you can see, we're all blended out, and the next shade we're going to take is the shade Credit on a smaller blending brush. We're going to put that into our crease just to give our eye a little bit more depth. This look is pretty simple, but you know, she chocolatey or whatever. Now that's all blended out, we're going to take this shade Lituation on a flat brush and just put that on our lid. Girl, it's going to be real cute or whatever. I really love this palette so much. Look at that. Ow, that color. See, both eyes are done. Now we're gonna do our face. Hold on. We're gonna be using Too Faced on this way foundation. I love it. Shit, I just shake it like a salt shaker, girl. I just shake that thing. Ooh, I almost dropped it. I just thought that was so funny. I don't know why. I act the fool, but anyway, I get lots of compliments on this foundation and it's my favorite. And I'm just gonna start giving myself some chicken pox. I put a little bit in my mouth, but it's okay. It's cool. We're gonna dot that all over our face as so. I'm not flicking y'all off either. I just got a broken nail and it's easier for me to use that little finger because my nails ain't as long. So we're gonna put that all over our face or whatever before we start to blend it out. Now I'm gonna use this brown blending brush. It's my favorite. Like, I love it so much. And I use a brush to blend out my foundation now instead of a sponge because it gives me better coverage. Yeah, so I kind of like stipple it in instead of wiping or swiping rather as much, and it blends out so beautifully. Look at this blend, girl. Yes, this is my favorite foundation of all time. Next, we're going to conceal, okay? Conceal. And we're using Too Faced on this way multi-sculpting concealer in the shade Chestnut Girl. We're going to do under our eyes. I'm going to put some on my chin, you know what I'm saying, in a second. I think I showed that. And I'm going to put a little bit on my forehead. Yeah, those are all the places I conceal. I use a lot of concealer. I can't help it. I like the way it feels. Okay. I'm gonna blend it out. I'll be back. Hold on 1 second. I do my forehead, my chin, and then my eyes. And I'm just going to take my foundation brush and blend the edges of the concealer out just to make sure everything is seamless and I don't have any harsh lines. Like, pay attention, okay? I don't want to see no unblended concealer out here in these streets because I already let y'all know how to be flawless, okay? Look at this. Look at this base. Hold on. Sasha Buttercup setting powder, OG, triple OG, lasts forever. My favorite. It has my heart, period. We use a brush, girl, not a sponge. Put a little bit in your cap. You're gonna dip your brush into the cap. Okay, keep up, follow directions. Then after you dip it in your cap, you tap some off and you're gonna press that thing. You're gonna press that thing under your eye. What is this called? A beauty blender. I forgot for a second. Blend out a little bit more and then press the powder under your eye. Press. Don't sweep, okay? Press it. Get in there. Get all the way in the nose. Press as much as you can. All the places that you can see. Now that we are all set, looking like a fresh powdered donut, we're gonna give us some color using this CoverGirl's bronzer. I don't really know what brush this is, but I think it's a BH brush. And we're just gonna bronze, okay? Because I don't cream contour anymore. I just bronze. Suck your face in like a fish so you can get your cheekbones. It's no cute way to do this, okay? Like, look at that. Oh my god, I love it. I don't know what show I'm watching, but it must have was good because I kept looking over there. Get your jawline. I don't really have one, but we're gonna put some down here too. And a wee bit on my widow forehead because I don't have a forehead either. Blush, girl. I think this is Serafina from Juvia's Place. And I'm going to take that on this. It's my Ray Ray brush. Smile. Get them apples of your cheeks, honey. Pull it up just a little bit. Don't just put a ball of blush on your cheeks. Blend it out, okay? You want it to look flawless. I need to stop because I go OD with blush sometimes. But it's okay. I still look good. Period. Okay. So for Micro Smooth, Alyssa Ashley put me on. E58 from Morphe is broke. And girl, they discontinued it. My heart is fine because I'm still going to use it anyway. No worries. I don't care. I went to Morphe to get a new one and it was discontinued. My heart is broken because I broke this and I threw the handle away because I thought I was going to be able to buy another one, but Morphe had other plans for your girl. They was like, no ma'am, we're discontinuing this brush. You're going to have to figure something else out. But jokes on them because I'm going to use this piece of brush until all the hairs fall out. We're going to do this all over our face, by the way. It sets everything. Makes me look so smooth. Thanks, Alyssa Ashley, girl. She always knows what she's talking about, too. Now, Too Faced Hangover RX setting spray all over, okay? All over our face. Get rid of this powder donut. Bathe in it. Bathe in it. Ugh. I accidentally swallowed some. And for highlight, we're going to use the Beauty Bakery Coffee and Cocoa palette. Oh my god, it's my favorite highlight ever, period. Why do I have so much attitude? Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful. Like, oh, look at that. Whenever y'all see me wear a highlighter, 20 times out of 10, this is it. I have so many highlighters, but I can't stop using this one. It's my all-time favorite. A hit pan. Oh my god, it's time to buy a new palette just for this shade because it doesn't come in like a single. What am I gonna do? That's fine because the blush in here real cute. We're gonna finish up our under eyes, and to do that we're gonna take a short shader brush and the shade Credit first and put that all underneath our waterline. It's no cute way for me to do this either. Like, I'd be so determined not to stab myself in the eye. So bear with me in my ugly face. Like, I can't. I don't like touching my eyes, so I have to be like as still as I can. Okay, now we're going to take the shade Ginger right beneath it and repeat. Basically the same shades we put in our crease and our transition shades, but in reverse. If you get the gist, I hope you do, but if you don't, that sounds like a you problem. Alright, I don't know what pencil this is. I got it from BeautyCon, but just know it's a chocolate one. And we're gonna put that in that waterline and make on our ugly face again. This face kills me every time. I know everybody makes the same face, so I ain't worried. It's as cute as it's gonna get. And now I'm going to line my lid. Pray for me because I always mess this up. I'm not going to record myself doing that. I did it. I was so proud of me. And now for lips, we're going to take the BFF4 lip liner in the shade Chocolate Tear lipstick. I'm just realizing I didn't even show y'all the lip pencil, but it's the Makeup Shayla times ColourPop collab. And it's a nice chocolate dark brown, girl. She's dark. It's the darkest brown I own. And put that lipstick on. Blot. Blot, 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 blot. Blot as much as you can to blend the lip liner and the lipstick together and make it flawless. Okay? And we're about to start jumping around, finishing up our face because this is coming to an end. We're going to set our brows with this Brow Drama from Maybelline. This is in the shade Dark Brown. Perfectum brows, honey. Okay, setting spray again. I know I set my face already, but this is the set of all sets. This is what I use when I don't want my makeup to move, go nowhere, and I bathe in that too. And now I'm gonna do my mascara. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara Primer, and I only use this on my bottom lashes. And girl, when I tell you it pops, okay? Now we're going to use the Urban Decay Persuasion Mascara. And I do my top lashes first and then go back to the bottom ones just so that I can give the lash primer time to dry. You know what I'm saying? And this is the end of what I had to do. You feel me? Hope you enjoyed.
Okay, y'all, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Comment down below and let me know what else you would like to see from me. You know what I'm saying? I have a couple of other videos planned, but they're not really like looks, you know? Comment down below and let me know what looks you want to see. You know, I don't know what else to say. So don't forget to keep glowing, and bye.